We got the infamous StreetSpeed717 with the ZR1. Let's get a good look at that.
She's sitting over there. She's ready. She's just waiting in the weeds. Waiting.
So let me ask you, man.
Yes.
So you guys just had some fun.
We did.
The Mamba. That was a chase car.
Yeah.
Do you feel that it did a pretty decent job?
I mean, I wasn't looking behind me. I was looking scared of this guy running into me. So I don't know. Well, you tell me. Was it keeping up?
Yeah. Welcome back to the channel. Well, let's close this window. Well, we have a special treat for you guys today. We're actually, we just linked up with Stang Mode and we're heading out to meet up with Street Speed. We're gonna see how the Undertaker and the Black Mamba, how they match up with Street Speed's ZR1. See who's really the king of the street. Should be interesting. For you guys, this will be a quick trip. For me, a couple hours. But we'll pick up when we get there.
We got a boosted, what is this now? A turbo F-150?
Supercharged. Supercharged F-150.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, you look like me with the POV hat.
Oh yeah. It just makes it easier with the when your hands.
Oh, so great.
This thing looks good, man.
Thank you very much.
It's like you see it on video, but
Am I about to get beat by a truck?
hopefully. Hopefully for me, not for you, but
We're just gonna run right into it because it could rain. So
okay.
let's just go for it.
Looks like it might rain.
Yeah.
So we got the infamous StreetSpeed717 with the ZR1. Let's get a good look at that.
She's sitting over there. She's ready. She's just waiting in the weeds. Waiting.
So let me ask you, man.
Yes.
So you guys just had some fun.
We did.
The Mamba. That was a chase car.
Yeah.
Do you feel that it did a pretty decent job?
I mean, I wasn't looking behind me. I was looking scared of this guy running into me. So I don't know. Well, you tell me. Was it keeping up?
Yeah.
Okay.
From my view, you guys would hit before me and I'd be right there. Yeah, you weren't pulling on me.
Yeah.
So it should be some fun.
Good then.
Let me get a quick can you pop the hood here?
Yeah. Well, yeah, I mean, I don't usually bother popping the hood because you can't see nothing on this car.
Yeah.
I can do
My
it.
guys don't get to see a Corvette engine too
There's
often.
nothing. All you're gonna see is carbon fiber.
Ooh.
But
Fancy.
yeah. See.
Oh.
So,
Oh yeah.
that's why.
Oh.
But full bolt-on cam car. Coming out on pump today, makes about 850 wheel on pump.
Okay. What about the heads? Heads are stock?
Stock heads, yeah.
Lower and upper or just
Yeah,
lower?
lower and upper.
Lower and upper. All right. No meth.
Nope.
All right. So just pump 93.
Pump.
Woo.
And then if I go up on Stang Mode, said it would be close, which it was really close. My pump is E85. I can go 109 though.
Okay.
And I make about 60 mil on 109. I just wanted to show you there's no meth in on that.
All right. No nitrous. No meth hidden.
I'm not like that. I don't have no secrets.
All right. All right. What we got on here? What type of tire we got?
I run an R888.
Wow.
325, 35, 20. 20 in the back, 20 up front as well. So yeah, I'm out here. I'm on a 20. You know.
Yeah.
I know I could probably take off a little bit better from a lower speed too if I was running a drag tire with like an 18, but I just love my 20s, you know, and it's great because I can drive it. Like I can take this car out and it hooks really well. I mean, you saw I can hook in a second, no problem, at 40 to 50. But then I can also go on a back road and, you know,
have some fun.
And really have some fun too. So I'm not limited to just, you know, straight line.
All right. All right.
It's a full bolt on, just honest to God daily driver.
This is what 7-speed, 8-speed,
8-speed auto.
8-speed auto. And this is what LMR did the whole thing, right?
Yep. Late model race car.
What does this thing usually run 60 to 130?
You on where I'm at now, about 5 flat.
Okay. thing gets rolling. That thing definitely gets rolling. Oh, shit. Sketchy in rear-wheel drive. Had it in rear-wheel drive, that last one.
Okay. Let's go. You can beep 3 times and go, and I'll just give you like the hit.
Getting me to hit. All right, perfect. I can't even hear my own horn. Between his and mine. Jesus, that thing is fast.
Fast, man.
Thanks.
Good luck,
Thanks. I couldn't even hear a horn when you were going.
that's why after the first run, I was like, oh, I know I got him, so I'll just let you go and then chase you down. And it was, yeah, I mean, it's just crazy. It's weird to see, like, okay, yeah, my car might be faster, but it's a Corvette. It's weird to see a pickup truck going that fast.
Oh.
But, you know, pretty close to being as fast as this car. That's wild.
Yeah, it was fun. It was definitely fun.
It's just so fun. Like, when we took off, I bet those people behind us were like, what the fuck? The truck is flying.
We didn't even get him a chance. At least the first two. I looked in the. I was like, they didn't get a trail video.
Oh, you gotta do the point.
Yeah,
Pretty good.
Huh? Nah, he got me.
You got you.
Yeah. I could see when it would start to pull some. I'm not sure what mile an hour it was. And then, like I said, I can't hear the horn.
Yeah, you can.
I couldn't hear my own horn.
His car's loud as fuck.
Yeah.